Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Hakka training here on Icrt. It's New Year's time, so let's travel around the island and take you to the township of Zhudong. Let's see what festivities they have here. Now to get to Zhudong, let's take the Nei1 line and get off at Zhudong Station. And here we are. Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Hello，
大家恭喜发财，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
我也要恭喜发财一下。
超嘎，大家一起发财。
没错，现在是过年的时候嘛，新年这个时候我们来到了竹东的地区了。
超嘎，竹东有一个活动非常非常的有名，而且它举办的日期就可以舔船饮
啊，舔船饮，我知道农历1月20号嘛，然后客家人一定要过的一个节日嘛。
对啊，舔船饮给你啦，那天就会有举办很多的歌唱比赛。竹东这边就有一个全台湾最有名的台湾客家山歌比赛。
哎呦，那我要赶快来练习练习了。我很喜欢唱歌的，可是这要唱客家的山歌，对不对？
对啊，客家山歌，其实也没有说很难学啦，真的，你只要用心就可以了。
看样子好像 Leo 有参加过。
我没有参加过，但是我很想参加，因为什么你知道吗？一定要参加过这个比赛，拿到冠军啊，你才敢出去跟人家讲说我是山歌王。
是这样子吗？所以这是所有的唱歌比赛里面之冠就对了。
对，最有名气、最有名望的一个。
没有得到我们竹东山歌比赛的这个冠军啊，不算冠军。
真的，
好厉害的一个这个唱歌比赛啊！好 ，Let's hear it in English.The
day the sky was pierced is known to the Hakka people is Tuan Chuan Zhi, a holiday that lands on the 20th day of the first month of the lunar calendar. On this day, the men don't till and the women don't weave. Instead, everyone gets together to sing folk songs, and many Hakka regions hold singing competitions. However, running for over half a century is the Zhudong Folk Song Competition, the longest standing and grandest competition.Many say if you haven't won a championship at Zhudong, then you are no folk singing champion. This year's sing-off will take place from February 27th to March 1st.
And now let's teach you some of these phrases that we talked about, like 天穿日,
舔船饮,
舔船饮, that's the holiday. And then 唱山歌吧,
冲山歌,
冲山歌, that's singing these mountain songs. And finally, it's a competition, a very important one too, 比赛.
比赛.
比赛. And now you know, go enjoy the competition. And that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎?
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.